Welcome to my channel. Let's learn about addition 1 to 10, so let's start. What is addition sign? Standing line, sleeping line make a plus sign. How to add? You have 1 candy. Your friend gave you 1 more. Count all together. 3 candies. Just like that, you have 1 apple. Now add 2 more. How many now? Yes, correct. The answer is 3. Let's practice addition. Two apples plus 2 more, how many? The answer is 4. Now 2 apples plus 1 more, how many? The answer is 3. Tricky one. 4 apples plus 4 more, how many? The answer is 8. Yay, good job, kids. One apple plus 1 more. The answer is 2. Three apples plus 4 more, how many? The answer is 7. Perfect. Three apples plus 3 more. Can you guess? Absolutely, the answer is 6. Now you have 5 apples, now add 4 more, how many? You got it right, 9 is the answer. You have 3 apples, now add 2 more, how many? The answer is 5, hooray. Now you have 3 apples and you are adding 0, now how many? The answer remains same, 3. Now it's time to check your understanding. So let's start. Say out loud how many apples you see. Correct, good job. How many oranges can you see? Yes, 2 plus 2 make mus 4. How many kiwi can you see? Just perfect, the answer is 6. How many lemons you can see? Louder, yes, 7. How many watermelons can you see? You got it right, 3. How many peaches you can see? This practice is making you prop. Yes, 6 is the answer. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep shining. Thank you for watching.